Oh, hi there. I didn't notice you. I am coding. Do you want to learn too? That's great! I'm going to teach you about Python, a very simple and fun programming language. No, not the snake. It is a programming language. Python is used by many companies to build their websites. It's even used by companies such as Google, Netflix, and Amazon. It's very popular and very easy to build applications with. It's even used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is especially important with companies such as Tesla. Tesla designs cars that can drive themselves. This is all done using Python. So, let's solve a problem. I don't like spending money. I like getting a good deal, and I even cut my own hair to save money. So, today, what we are going to do is find out which tteokbokki is the cheapest tteokbokki, because teacher's favorite food is cheese tteokbokki, but teacher doesn't want to spend a lot of money on cheese tteokbokki. So together, we're going to help teacher find the cheapest cheese tteokbokki. Are you ready? So, the first thing you need to do is to go onto www.repl.it. You can follow the instructions on the screen now. Great! Now you should see a screen just like this. And we are ready to start. Great! So now we are going to make a variable. It's as easy as that. And now we are going to store data inside a variable. So let's store a number. Great! We just stored 10,000 inside our variable. But if we click run, nothing happens. That's because we need to print our variable. And this is how we print a variable. Now, if we click run, the data inside the variable is displayed to us. We are now going to find out how much each individual tteokbokki costs. You can see the total amount at the bottom, which is 7,500 Korean won, and you can also see how many tteokbokki there are inside my cheese tteokbokki. So, to find out the cost of each tteokbokki, we simply need to divide the total amount by the number of tteokbokki. So, let's do this in Python. The first thing we need to do is create the variables we need to do the math. Just follow me on screen. So first, we will create a variable called total cost. Second, we will create a variable called number of tteokbokki. So, what is the total cost? That's right, 7,500. And how many tteokbokki do we have? That's right, 10. Now, let's test to see if we have everything right. We will print these variables to see if they return data. Just remember to click run once you have written down the print functions. Are you a little bit confused? That's okay. I'm going to explain what happened now. So, we have 4 lines on our screen. We have the first variable, total cost, the second variable, number of tteokbokki, and we also have 2 new functions that you can see on line 5 and line 6. They are called print functions. And what print functions do is they show us data. So, on line 5, we are asking the print function to show us what is inside variable total cost. So when we click run, we should see 7,500. Let's check to see if that's right. But there's a mistake. There's a mistake in line 6. So let's look carefully at line 6. What can we see? Ah, yes. There's a K missing. And now there are no errors. So remember, spelling is very important. Make sure you spell everything the same. So now, how do we calculate the cost per tteokbokki? Well, we have to divide the total cost by the number of tteokbokki. And then we must assign this to a value called cost per tteokbokki. Remember, you must print out the new variable to find the price. Let's give this a go now. Great! Now we know the cost per tteokbokki is 750. But if we change some of the values, we can get some different answers. Now the cost per tteokbokki is 600. And now the cost per tteokbokki is 400. Now you can use this calculator to calculate the cost of your tteokbokki. That's all from me today. I hope to see you on the next video. Goodbye!